Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to your IT administrator has limited access in Windows Defender. So this is Windows 10 related issue and we are going to see different troubleshooting methods and we have to follow all the troubleshooting methods one by one. There could be possibility that one of the troubleshooting method would work for you. So before going ahead, I would like to say that I have a mission in 2021 to help 100 million people worldwide to resolve technical issues by their own. So I would need your help to reach these many people. You just have to hit the like, hit the subscribe, press the bell icon to enable notifications, and please do comment which method works for you. In this way we would be able to reach these many people worldwide. So the first troubleshooting method is to disable third-party antivirus software. This error occurs because of third-party antivirus software, and this error occurs after you install Windows Update on your computer. First of all, disable antivirus software. In the system tray icon over here, click on system tray icon and then click on the antivirus software or right click on it and then quit the antivirus software. Currently I have Malwarebytes installed, so I'm going to click on quit Malwarebytes, so it will stop working on my computer. Once I do this, it will ask me user account control permissions. I will click on yes. Now Malwarebytes is disabled on this computer. I will just right click on start menu and then click on settings. In the settings you have to click on update and security, and in the update and security we have to click on Windows security. In the Windows security, click on virus and threat protection, and you have to check if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, you can check by log off and log in into your computer, and then if the issue doesn't resolve, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method. So to follow another troubleshooting method, open run box with the help of Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then type gpedit.msc. Hit enter. In the group policy you have to click on administrative templates. Under computer configuration, expand administrative templates and click on Windows components, expand it and then search for Windows Defender antivirus. Expand Windows Defender antivirus and then click on real-time protection. You have to check if this policy turn off real-time protection is enabled or disabled. Double click on it. If it is enabled, click on not configured, click on apply, click on OK. Also you have to expand administrative templates again and check Windows components. In the Windows components you have to check for Windows security over here, expand it, and in the Windows security you have to click on virus and threat protection. Check this policy, hide the virus and threat protection area, double click on it. If it is enabled, then you have to click on not configured and then click on apply, click on OK. So in this way you can troubleshoot this issue to resolve it. First of all, you have to try the first method, log off, re-login or restart the computer, and then again check if the issue resolves or not. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. And please do remember the mission to complete to help 100 million people worldwide to resolve technical issues by their own. Thanks and bye bye.